Hey everyone, it's Brandon Daniel here with the Dumbbell, and today I'm going to share with you a great 10-minute cardio arms workout. So we all want to have nice sculpting arms, but it's much more than just lifting a bunch of weights or just getting on a treadmill and walking for an hour. There's a combination of a few things that you need to focus on. Obviously your diet's really important, but more than anything, it's doing intervals. And a lot of us are stressed on time. We don't have a lot of time to get a workout in. So in this workout, you can get a quick 10-minute workout, maybe before you go to work, on a lunch break, or maybe right when you get off work, right before you cook dinner. So with this workout, all we're gonna need are some free weights, and I'm gonna show you the 3 exercises we're gonna do in 10 minutes. So we're gonna do 10 reps on each exercise. The first one is burpees. So if you don't know what burpees are, you're gonna soon find out. We're gonna go out, in, and jump up. Don't need to do a push-up on these ones. All we're gonna do is just go down, bring both legs out, and jump up. If you have to modify, have both legs go out, both legs come in, and still try to jump up. With all 3 exercises, we're gonna try to do 10 reps each. So we're gonna do 10 burpees, and then we're gonna do 10 bicep curls. So with the bicep curls, we're just gonna curl it all the way up towards our chest. Try not to swing the arms. Just like that. So with 10 of those, after that, we're gonna do 10 push-ups. So when you come down to push-up, make sure that your fingertips are right about chin level, maybe nose level when you come down. If you have to modify, feel free to have the knees on the ground when you do the push-up. But here's the challenge you're gonna do, is you're gonna try to get 10 reps of every one of those 3 exercises in, as many rounds for 10 minutes. So that's your challenge. You can do that. It's a great cardio arm workout that you can do, like I said, before work, during a break, even at home. You can do it at the gym. There's many, many ways to get this done, and it's quick and convenient, and it'll get you the results you're looking for. We'd love to hear from you, so if you guys have any questions at all, reach out to us on our social media channels, and I'll see you guys next time.